MTV Cribs got nothing on us.
ChatGPT type beat.
Bugger Mayfield. Oh, my phone game.
This whole game. This whole game.
The lights are glowing, the carols play, but to me it doesn't feel like Christmas Day. Your shadow lingers out by the tree, an empty space where I know that you should be. The world is wrapped in red and gold, but my heart's been left out in the cold. They say the season heals all your pain, but it's just the same, it's just the same. I'll be numb for Christmas, it's easier that way. Lock the hurt inside and make it through the day. No merry cheer, no silent night, just a quiet war that I'm losing tonight. I'll be numb for Christmas, just trying to survive. Pretend the heartache's gone, pretend that I'm alive. No merry cheer, no silent night, just a quiet war that I'm losing tonight. The stocking's hung and the fire's also low, but it's not the warmth that you and I used to know. Every girl is hollow and fake, a poor disguise for the love that I ache. Your laughter echoes all throughout my mind, a haunting tune that I know I can't leave behind. I wish I could be, but it just hurts too much, so shut it down. I don't need the rush, so I'll be numb for Christmas, it's easier that way. Lock the hurt inside and make it through the day. No joyful songs, no mistletoe, just a winter storm of letting go. They say time will heal, but it's moving too slow. Each snowflake's a memory I don't want to know. I can't unwrap the pain, it's wrapped too tight, so I'll close my eyes and through another cold night. I'll be numb for Christmas till the New Year's come. Bury all the feelings and beat the drums. No peace, no joy, just a heart on ice, in a world where love was my only vice. Was that the end? Sure. Okay.
That's the end in my book.
Dang, that was a fancy word at the end. Relice? Like, that's crazy.